Everyone, I am Adam Goldberg from Atlanta, Georgia, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how I use filters. I do a lot of landscape and architectural photography, and this right here is a circular polarizer, and it is one of the most important pieces in my kit that I use on a regular basis. When I'm doing landscapes, it's great for cutting through glare, giving the sky some pop. If I'm using it in an architecture photography standpoint, especially on interiors, it's really good for cutting out a lot of glare from some of the lights on different floors and other surfaces. So one of my favorite uses for the circular polarizer when I'm doing landscape photography is to cut through the glare on water. You might be at a beautiful lake or overlooking the ocean or something like that, and the sun's bright, and you just actually can't see that crystal clear blue water. And so by putting this filter on the front of your camera, spin it, you engage it, and it's just going to cut through that glare, so that way you can see everything underneath the water. The circular polarizer filter is probably one of the most essential filters that you can carry in your bag. It's probably the most important one just because of all the different ways that it can really help your photography, whether it's cutting through glare, adding some contrast and pop to the sky. But the other nice thing about it is that it does cut out about 1.5 to 2 stops of light. So if you don't have an ND filter with you, you can actually just use this to help blur some motion along with some other settings on your camera. So it's probably the most versatile filter that you can have in your camera kit.